All of you should know me by now. I am DP Robertson. For years, it has been my goal to help people navigate the world of trading. That's why I've spent years testing thousands of indicators and strategies here on my channel. And recently, I announced that we have partnered with Will from Will Trades to create a futures and prop firm training division shoot off of the Academy of Forex. With over 6 years of experience, Will is not only a profitable but knowledgeable trader. And through his Discord, he teaches people how to become just as profitable every single day as he coaches them, teaches them, and trades with them right side by side, calling out exactly where he's taking his trades. You can find a link to his Discord down below in the description. If you use the link down below in the description, you get a 5-day free trial, as well as access to his Discord and access to the Academy of Forex Discord with all the benefits that go with that as well. This is going to be a daily trading recap video, so let's go ahead and jump right into that video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another trading recap. Today is Monday, April 28th, so we're almost in May, which is absolutely crazy. You know, this week's been going by way too quickly. So today's trading recap is absolutely crazy, right? We made, and you guys can already see it on the top corner up here, $7.7 thousand on the day, which I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys so you can see those profits right here, right there, and as well $15,000 in 6 days, which I'll show you guys right now, right there. So absolutely crazy trading. And let me kind of break down what I do, and I tell you guys the same thing. I do the same exact strategy every single day. I do the same exact thing every single day. So let's go ahead. Let me make myself a little smaller. Wow, there we go. And let's kind of break this down. So the very first thing I always do is identify kind of the momentum and kind of the market of what's going on here, right? So first thing I always want to look for is trend. What does the market want to do? Where does it want to go? Right? So pre-market highs, we're currently right here, right? Which is 831, right when market opens. So you guys can see we dipped right off of market open, then we kind of just consolidating. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm obviously going to draw a level right at these lows, right? And then I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for some type of momentum or some type of direction to tell me, hey, where does the market want to go, right? And we can see we break out of this consolidation. I'm like, okay, first trade, if we can break out of the most recent high, which is right here, we can have a little bit of a push to the next high. And that's exactly what happened. We broke out of this level and we had a nice maybe 50 plus point move, capitalizing on that first trade. Then what happened, which was pretty surprising, and it is a Monday. We have a lot of red folder news coming out very, very soon later this week. So a lot of volatility and a lot of momentum is going to happen in this week of trading, so be prepared. All right, so we can see that we obviously sold right off, right? And I'm like, holy moly, we sold off, crazy. I'm going to head and redraw my levels, right? So I'm going to draw at most high and at most low. And I'm going to wait for some type of reversal or some type of retracement here. And you guys can see we retrace perfectly. And then we start consolidating for over an hour. Equal highs, equal lows. And I tell you guys that what we want to do is identify the trend. And right now the trend is consolidation, which for my strategy and how I take trades is meaning sit on my hands, do not do anything. So again, I sit on my hands, I wait for two things to happen. If we can break out of this consolidation to the upside, or if we can break out of this consolidation to the downside. And once we can do one or the other, that will tell me the direction for the day for adding on to another quick scalp. And just like so, we break finally on this level, and you guys can see Bob is your uncle. We finally sell all the way back off, capitalizing on obviously not the whole move, but a good majority of it, finishing, making that 7.7K on the day. And I did actually catch a little bit of a pre-market trade here. So if I actually zoom on over, we can see that we have a gap right here, and most gaps have to get filled. And you can see I did take a little bit of a long actually later in the day, which I did stay up pretty late last night, taking a little breakout play and holding that as well. So I took about 3 or 4 trades, averaging that 7.7K. So biggest day on this Express Funded account, and up $15,000 in total, going to request another payout. So I hope you guys like kind of that trading recap, showing you guys that you guys can achieve it if you guys just follow your strategy and follow the game plan every single day, control your risk, control your momentum, and control your game plan. Again, if you guys want to trade live with me every single day, absolutely for free for the first 5 days, it'll be down below in the comments. Other than that, have a beautiful rest of your Monday. Keep staying green, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
All right, so now that you've seen how simple it is to become a profitable trader, as Will not only teaches you, but calls out those trades in real time, exactly where he is taking them and how he is taking them. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Again, you'll get a free 5-day trial where you can join us as we are taking those trades in real time and see exactly how great the community is over on Will's Discord. And again, make sure you use the link down below in the description. That way you can get access to both the Discords and all the benefits that come with that. And we will see you on the inside.